What do we have here? Like a bucket of ice cream of type A is obtained by mixing 1 liter of milk and 1 liter of water. So 1 liter milk plus 1 liter water will give me 1 bucket of type A ice cream. Similarly, another bucket of ice cream type of B is obtained by mixing 3 liters of milk. 3 liters of milk with 1 liter of water will give me 1 bucket of type B. Now, what will be the number of buckets of ice cream B obtained if it is known that a total of 100 liters of milk, so how much milk is used and how much water is used? Milk is 100 liters and water is 60 liters. Now, one thing we need to understand here is anytime I create a bucket of type A, there will be equal quantities of milk and water used. So every time there is an extra milk used, that is definitely because of type B ice cream that is getting created. Now, if you observe, for each bucket of type B, compared to 1 liter water, I am using 3 liter milk, or in other words, 2 liter extra milk is needed for 1 bucket of type B. For type A, milk and water will be of equal quantity. There will not be anything extra. But here, only in type B, I will be using 2 liters extra for every bucket that is being created. Therefore, here, if I go and see, compared to 60 liters of water, if there are 40 liters extra, you know what that implies? For 1 bucket of type B, 2 liters extra is needed. Therefore, for 20 buckets of type B, I would have taken 40 liters extra. So from this we can infer that 20 buckets would have been of type B ice cream would have been created. Let's go and verify it. If 20 type B buckets are created, so that would have taken 20 liters water. Good. And for each bucket of type B, 1 liter water is and 3 liters of milk are used. So for 20 buckets, 20 liters of water and 60 liters of milk are used. So subtract from this total what you get: 40 liters water and 40 liters milk, and guess what that would have created? That would have created 40 buckets of type A ice cream. So totally we have 20 buckets of type B ice cream and 40 buckets of type A. You don't even need a pen and paper to solve this problem. You can just simply look at this extra 40 liters and you can see that how much ever type A I create, that will not create an additional milk compared to the water. But for each type B that I create, that would give me 2 liters of extra milk compared to water. And if there are 40 liters extra milk compared to water, that would have created me, that means I would have created 20 buckets of type B. And the remaining 40 liters would have contributed 40 buckets of type A. I hope this helps.